Your jacking points are rusty.
Who are you? And how did you get in my car?
That doesn't matter. Take that and take care of it. What's up everybody, and welcome back to another episode on this channel. In this episode we are going to take care of the jacking points which are rusted. I will first try to remove the sealant or the paint, whatever it is. I don't know, it was made by the previous owner, and then we will see what is hiding behind. I hope I can fix it without welding, only by paint, but we will see. Let's go. After removing the paint or sealant or whatever it was, it looks like that these spots have been welded, and you can see here the spot welds. I will continue with sanding, and I hope that it is not that worse like it looks. Okay guys, another update. I have reached a point where I have noticed that I can't continue on the street without any power tools, because there are a lot of spot welds and I need to do some research how I can remove them and which products I can use afterwards that it looks flat again. And before I stop, I will use some rust converter to protect these spots from further rusting. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any spot where I can continue, so I will do it outside, but luckily it's not raining, so I can use my tools outdoor. And that's the current state. The rust converter is dry. I will sand it once again and try to get rid of the spot welds here and have a nice surface. Then we can move on to the paint job. Okay guys, this car never fails to surprise me. After starting sanding, I just revealed some more rusty spots. So I sanded these spots about 2 hours now, and I'm going ahead and apply some more rust converter and wait another 24 hours, and I have to do the same procedure for all other spots as well. Yeah. While the rust converter is drying, I will try to clean the plugs. I don't know how they will turn out, but before replacing them I just want to give it a try. Maybe it will look good again, but we will see. It's been now 1 week since I have applied the rust converter, and it was constantly raining, so I hope no further rust did build up, and we will see if it's still good or not. If not, we have to repeat all the steps again. Oh, not bad. I will sand the spots one last time with 400 grit sandpaper, and then we can apply some primer. I'm done with sanding and now we can move on to the painting process. I will first sand down the entire sides and then apply some primer. And that's the final result. Once the paint is dry, I will also attach the plugs, and then this job is finished. It's been now 3 days since I have painted the jacking points and the result is okay. Now it's time to put on the plugs, but before putting on, I will apply some grease to prevent further rusting.
I was filming an outro, but then my camera decided not to record the sound. But luckily I remember every single word I said. And I'm finally done with the job and blah. It's not perfect, but it's okay. Blah, 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 blah. Like, comment and subscribe. Blah, blah, blah.